back to Kim Pins and welcome to spooky season with our big ween energy. That's right, it is October and that means we're starting our third year of Kim Pins. We've had 2 successful years. Thank you so much for everyone who's been here along the way. And we are packing this month full of spooky crafts. Like, you know, my weird heads over here. So if you're new to Kim Pins, welcome. Our main content here on the channel is testing out Pinterest crafts. So if you have any, comment below that you want me to try. I'd love to hear from you. We also do some fun unboxings and, you know, other stuff. But the core here, the pin and Kim Pins, are those Pinterest pins. So today, I'm very excited. We are making a decor item that allegedly can go outside. So we've got our creepy mannequin heads, which are really, I believe they're like wig stands, so they're not all that creepy. But we've got mannequin heads, cheesecloth, although this is, if you tried to use this for cheesecloth, your cheese is gonna be in trouble. Glue, because we're gonna need that, and some screw hooks, eye screws. They literally, this package says eye screws, gross. But the, you know, the little circle, but then you can screw them in so then you can hang it. So the idea here is you take your cheesecloth, drape it over the head, and then it hangs from wherever, right? Ooh, creepy. So that's what we're going for here today. Now, I have my mannequin heads from Amazon. I bought cheesecloth from Amazon. This was 4 yards. Probably great for crafting, terrible for cheese making. I've got my spray Gorilla Glue. Now the pin instructions below, they used Mod Podge. The pin creator also used a more traditional cheesecloth. So what they had done was Mod Podge the face to kind of give it more definition. I don't think I'm gonna need to, I'm gonna try not doing that with this one. Yeah, I think that's really the only deviation from the pin. Oh, also, the pin creator cut the necks off. I'm gonna leave them. I think it still looks creepy with the necks on and it saves me from doing more work. So that's what we're gonna do. So the idea here is we're gonna spray the top of the head with some glue. We're gonna drape our cheesecloth. Like, look at how thin this is. I feel like I need to use cheesecloth, you know. It's a very loose interpretation of cheesecloth, I think. I just wanna kind of get it like a little centered. And then you hang it. See, that's not too bad. My biggest concern is getting glue all over. 1 down, 2 to go. And there we have it. We've got our 3 ladies. You hang them with fishing wire outside. Or as I'm sitting here, honestly, if you had these just like without the eye screws up at the top, but just like on a shelf, that'd be creepy too. So they could be, if you keep the necks on for sure, they could be indoor decor as well. Now, I am noticing something about the Gorilla Glue is kind of eating away at the styrofoam a little bit up at the top of their heads, but you know, just adds to the Halloween creepiness in my opinion. So I don't hate it, but something to look out for. It's probably why they used Mod Podge. But you know, this was so much faster to spray it on. So let's rate it. Let's start with cost. Okay, so this was definitely pricier. I'm gonna put this at a I'm gonna give it 2.5, middle of the road, because I think for crafts overall on the channel, this is definitely one of the pricier ones that we've done, but for Halloween decor, pretty affordable. So the 3 mannequin heads I bought as a pack, I think they were $24. The cheesecloth I bought as 4 yards altogether, and that was for like $4.50. So that wasn't bad, but it's also not great cheesecloth. Great for Halloween crafts though. And the eye hooks I think were like $5, but I have a ton and I'll use that for other things. So yeah, I'll go 2.5 on cost, because around here that's a bit pricey. So that's around $35. Likability, I'm gonna give these 5 out of 5 on likability. I like them a lot. I think they're creepy and cool, and I can't wait to hang them up. So yeah, I'll go 5 there. Ease of following instructions, I'm gonna give them a 5. I think it was easy from what I remember, which is not like a ton. Yeah, they had, so they had, you know, clear instructions on the materials they used. So yeah, I'm gonna give them a 5 on instructions. They were very detailed. They had pictures, they had words, they had a materials list that gave like the actual measurements of how much cheesecloth they used for their pin, which was very helpful. Should you make it versus should you buy it? I think you should make it. Even though it is one of the pricier ones around here, you can get the mannequin heads for a little cheaper. If you're just doing one, you can get one head for like around 10 bucks. So yeah, I think you should make it because I haven't seen, I don't know, you'd have to shop around to find something like this, and it's definitely gonna be more than that. So I think you should make it. And overall rating, I'm gonna give it an 8, and it only gets dinged because of the cost. So yeah, there you go. Our first spooky craft of the season. I hope you enjoyed, and stick around for more Halloween fun all month long. And if you like this video, like this video. If you didn't like this video, like this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our big ween energy around here and any other fun crafts we have going on this month and many months to come. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.